a little crazy rain and some fun on the way to American Memorial Park. Oh my gosh! Out of nowhere!
I did, and it got. I don't know where it is. It's gone down. Looks like it's going now.
I don't know what are you. Because dang. Oh, hi, you cool. You cool. She a cool kid. He was like, they stupid because you're about to leave and you're not even working. You don't even, not. But I think it was a mistake. Oh, I should buy one.
You have to, but not here. Pouring rain. And we were like, oh.
Yeah,
It is pretty. It's rough. It's a little bit rough. Let's go watch
International success, its leadership felt restricted through a series of extremely brutal campaigns to get fuel and materials to the Japanese mainland. They would need order for this Japanese plan to work. Japan would need to discreet is wounded and sunk to the shadows of Pearl Harbor, Guam, Wake Island, and many others, kicking off all to gain. American strategist knew Saipan was different. But the fuel tanks on these planes gave them a limited range of the lives of men who would invade 3 days from now, hanging it. The morning of June 15th, 1944, Americans captured this lethal airfield. One way they could Japanese plan to stop the American invasion had failed.
Or like Avatar when you put your hair to it, like the tree of hope and life.
Try that. Thank you.
Thank you.